Hi from Bennett Motors. So this is just a little bit of an update video on the car giveaway situation. We gave one away last Friday to a lady who has retired. Her car let her down badly and she needed another motor quite quickly. She had some specific requirements, so it had to be 4 doors, not too large. She'd had previously cars that she liked, so she gave us the list of those cars, and there was a Hyundai, there was a Citroen and a few other cars that she'd liked, so she sort of said, well, if you can get one of them, that would be great. So we picked up a Citroen C3, again help from other customers, putting in the pot towards the car. Managed to raise about £1,000, and we bought this car for her. So we delivered that on Friday. So that's the 3rd car this year that we've done. So we did a Renault Clio early on in the year. We did that was just before lockdown actually. We did the Renault Clio about the end of February. We also did a Citroen Berlingo. Again, the guy had quite specific requirements. He already had a Citroen Berlingo, but the engine let go on that one, and he was in a situation where he couldn't afford to do anything. But he used the car for work. He just got a small business and was desperate for a vehicle, but was never going to be able to afford to replace the car that had got the engine damage. So in that instance, just one customer said they could put a reasonable sum of money in, and then we matched it and bought him a Citroen Berlingo. That was a little bit over the budget that we'd normally pay, but like I say, the guy had specific requirements that it was difficult to get anything within the usual £1,000 budget, so we went a little bit over on that one. So I don't think that's bad, giving away 3 cars to 3 individuals who are in need and really up against it. We've done our best to try and just help out a little bit, and I think in this world, if life's been reasonably kind to you, well, giving a little bit back is probably a nice thing to do, and morally it seems the right thing to do as well. So that's what we've done, and other customers seem pleased to do that and feel that they can give something back as well. So it works all round, and it's a nice feeling. It's a nice feeling to say, well, I've helped somebody. So that's the update from us, and we'll see you again next time. Thank you.